Welcome. So here I have 27 times 2 divided by 3 squared. And I really hate when I see the type of problem written like this because I don't like this division symbol. I think it really kind of messes things up for students. But it can be helpful for us to be able to understand or at least see what we're going to be using for our order of operations. So what I have is 27 times 2 divided by 3 squared. That means all of this is being divided by 3 squared. And the reason why I put these in parentheses for us to understand I have two quantities that are being divided. I like to write it in the form of a fraction. That way I can see I have a numerator and a denominator. OK, now I know, because a lot of times we get caught, even though it says follow the order of operations from left to right, right? And that would help us make sure we do our multiplication first. To me, it just gets confusing with using that division symbol. So now I write it as a fraction. I'm still the exact same problem. But now I got to use my order of operations. So right now we're practicing using evaluating our exponents first, or our powers. So anyways, whenever I have a fraction, I got to make sure I simplify the numerator and the denominator. So here, anyways, I'm going to do this first. It's not really actually going to change the problem, but 3 squared is going to give me 9. So I'd have 27 times 2 divided by 3 squared is 9. But since I changed it to this way, it actually doesn't matter which. If I multiply the numerator, 27 times 2 is 54. So now I have 54 divided by 9, which is 6. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. And if you would have kept it like this, it would have looked like this. 27 times 2 divided by 9, right? And then we always go from left to right. 27 times 2 is 54 divided by 9. 54 divided by 9 is 6. Would have got the same answer. If you like that way better, then just keep on doing it that way. However, we don't really see these division symbols much later in math, so I like to start getting used to this way right off the bat. Good.